We've got 33% down for NIO since the end of September until now. 33%, guys. And now there's a chance for a huge reversal because there's a huge whale just swimming right there in this spot. So here we expect a huge reversal and a big momentum for a reversal. We expect at least, guys, 15% or 20% reversal before the end of this month or by the beginning of the next week, because this is the critical zone where the market maker bought after the major earning that we have on September, in the beginning of September. So let's dive right in, guys, and discuss the right price for NIO to reverse, because major EV stocks, Chinese stocks going down. One of them is Lucid, went down 18%, and as well for this one we watch him for the depth for it because it's right now is started to reverse. However, for Lucid is a different story because we have an offering, guys. They want to raise almost 1.64 billion to save the company, because right now they are tight on money, and this is the only way to save and make some money for Lucid right now. That's why we got a huge drop in the price after the news of the offering. However, for Lucid we don't have an offering, but we have a bit of correction because, guys, for NIO we already did how much here from the earnings. We did almost 100%, and now pulling back 33%. So we just reversing down. Of course, this is not a reversal for blue chip company. It's a sell-off. However, for NIO, we can call it a reversal or correction for this huge jump that we did after the earnings just last month. So now we getting near the critical zone, which is around the $5 and the $4.76. We have to discuss something really important that happened today, guys, or I think, yeah, today. The market opened in a pre-market, and guess what? We've got a seller just added their position around the $5.50, and that's why we have the drop of 6% yesterday. The other level that the short seller added was around the $5.80, and the biggest level that the short seller added their position, where we suggested in our live streaming that we do every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time for short, coming in big time around the $6.40. We have a huge dive, and we suggest everybody that the price will continue to go down for NIO. Here we only say what we see in the chart. We don't say something that make you happy. Many YouTubers just say the price will go up, and we only see a pink future. No, there is a reality here. There's a correction. There's a price go down. This is normal. This is the market. It's kind of a wave. It's like nature. It's going up and down. You can't be healthy every time. Sometimes tomorrow you're gonna pick up some flu and you get sick. This is life. The same with the stock. Stock gets sick and then gets healthy. However, we have to spot if the stock have cancer, terminal cancer. Okay, so some stock have terminal cancer. Is mean you don't have to buy them and they're gonna be bankrupt, so you don't have to hold them and buy them. However, for NIO, it's still we don't have cancer. We have some normal disease that we could be fixed. However, if we dipped over the $4.76, yeah, we might have a major disease that need hospice, need recovering, and at least need doctor attention. Doctor attention is mean we need money, we need investors, we need some fundamental news that will affect the price and reverse. However, in the time being, as we said, guys, this is the level that we should hold for NIO in order to reverse. This is where we're gonna have a reversal. However, this is depend on the market maker, because once we enter in this box, guys, we might have a correction. There's two type of correction here: either a huge dive down and then a huge wick, or a massive wick that will drastically change the price up. This is the best case scenario. The other scenario is going inside this box over the $4.76 and the $5 and consolidates for some days, then squeezing up once again. For my opinion, guys, if we went directly toward the $4.76, most often we see almost like 90% reversal fast, and the price never actually hold because it will be discounted price. Let me just give you this example. If you went right now to the store and you see the latest Apple 16 sold around the price tag 500 or 600, this is the half price. What you gonna do? Of course, you're gonna sell your phone, you sell your jacket, whatever, in order to buy this discount price, because you know if you bought the 600 or 516 Apple 16, you can sell it like easily in the street. You can sell it, or even Facebook or whatever, like eBay. You just sell it on eBay with 900. Everybody will buy it from you because it's discounted price. The same with nio. If we hit the discounted price for nio, the price will never stay there in milliseconds. We're gonna have a buyer right away. If we have the right buyer and the right well, this will give us the price jumping like this, V-shaped recovery, like what happened for the market back in 2021 when we have the huge drop and the price reversed. It happened again for the banking stocks that went down after the controversial bank that almost get bankrupt, and all that the banking system went down. However, all the bank stocks went and reversed with a V-shaped recovery because the government intervened and helped those stocks from getting bankrupt. So the same with the nio. If we hit the critical price for it, or the discount price, we're gonna have a reversal and then hit the $5.47, which is where the seller hiding. Because after we test this level, we need to break it in order to make the short cover and go toward the $5.80. This will be the juiciest reversal for nio since this reversal that happened back then here around let me just show you on August. This was the juiciest reversal before the earnings, and we reversed 100%. So now we have another opportunity for another juicy reversal for nio, guys. It will happen anytime over the $5 and the $4.76, and we expect this reaction will happen pretty soon, either today pre-market, after hours, or tomorrow pre-market before the market close for Friday. And we might have a gap up on Monday because of that if we hit this current reversal zone. Guys, we're gonna discuss nio and the other stocks by tomorrow on our Friday, because we discussed many stocks and we traded many stock today. And of course, one of the stock that traded today is NUZE, that got halted so many times. Let me just show you guys. After the market close, or after we finish our live streaming today, we hunted NUZE. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More than 5 haltation. And of course, we did chart analysis update. We warned our hunter about this stock. We did chart analysis update for entry before the halt here, and we have our entry, and of course right now hitting the $2.17 and halting again. I think, yes, 460. Of course, if you want to have those kind of stocks, those kind of trade, after we finish our live streaming, before even we start our live streaming early on our Discord and Patreon, the link comes section below to our Discord and Patreon community. In the meantime, hit the like, subscribe, and join us tomorrow around 9 a.m. Eastern time on our YouTube live stream. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.